Hey, what's up guys, I am Jack. Welcome to our territory. The Google Pixel coming in the last of this year with Snapdragon 765 chip, improved power efficiency, bigger battery size and camera with 5G support. John Prosser, the Twitter leaker, leaked the front display of Google Pixel 5 couple of months before. The upcoming Pixel 5 smartphone is expected to come with many fixes of its predecessor Google Pixel 4 smartphone. We have gone through numerous and our expectations are indeed higher for it. According to our sources, Google Pixel 5 will fix a mess which was created in Google Pixel 4 by Google itself. Without a doubt, recently launched Google Pixel 4 and its elder brother Pixel 4 XL are the most cruelly criticized smartphone immediately after arriving officially on stores. And many of us are not really happy with the battery life, whereas other major features are missing as well. Keeping all those factors in mind, online sources have rumored a handsome number of features and specifications that will not be less than a surprise for Google Pixel fans. Google Pixel 4 is not quite old as of now, and it is not possible to see Google Pixel 5 before October 2020. One surprising leak is that the Pixel 5 might not have a flagship power, as unreleased code in the Google Camera app suggests that it uses the upper mid-range Snapdragon 765G chipset. It may get an upgrade over that thought, as Qualcomm has since launched that chipset successor, the Snapdragon 765G. This is been and software compatible with the Snapdragon 765G, so it should be easy for Google to make the change if it had been intending to use the 765G, and it offers all-around improvements coming a bit closer to the top-end Snapdragon 865. We have also heard the Google Pixel 5 could have a reverse wireless charging feature according to Android 11 code found in a developer beta. Yeah, this will let you power up other devices like another phone using the Pixel 5 as a charging mat. The Snapdragon 765G is a very capable chipset offering native 5G support and being the second highest end processor in Qualcomm 2020 lineup. Yeah, this would suggest that the Google is not designing the Pixel 5 to be the typical flagship Android phone to compete with the likes of the Galaxy S20 and iPhone 11 Pro. The Pixel 5 is shaping up to be the first phone from the Google with 3 rear cameras. Last year, Pixel 4 was the first phone to offer 2 cameras, including a primary and telephoto sensor. The most recently released flagship device from Google are loaded with a solid radar that gives users an improved experience. The functionality, however, was not so good for its battery life. If Google chooses to further adjust to Google Pixel 5 and improve its solid gestures, we at least hope that the next model will reduce the lack of consistent battery life. It is also frustrating that even the phone in previous years have better batteries and longer life, and the battery lifespans we are seeing at the 4 Pixel is not that long, but it is still not enough to give Google Pixel 4 enough power with a battery size of 3700 mAh. Yeah, but it is still not enough to Google Pixel 4 enough power with a battery size of 3700 mAh in comparison to 3430 mAh. Yeah, the comeback of a fingerprint scanner may be beneficial for those who always run short on time or don't prefer unlocking their phones with their faces. The facial recognition, however, will continue serving those who prefer it over a fingerprinting scanner. The ultra-wide lenses, Google had disappointed its fans with every Google Pixel smartphone, but this time again, we are expecting an ultra-wide lens from Google on its upcoming Google Pixel 5 smartphone. Let me know down in the comments below what's your thoughts about the Pixel 5. Thank you for watching. See you next time.